Alright guys, so welcome back to my cooking channel guys. Today I'm going to be doing some Salmon Alfredo Pasta. Salmon with a white sauce, and that's some homemade white sauce. Alright, I got some red peppers, red onions, I got some spinach with a salt and pepper. And of course I got my green seasoning. Also will be a video or a link to the video for that in the description. Alright, so first we're going to start by making sure we got some hot water going for our pasta. And then once we get that out of the way, we can start working on our salmon. Alright, so let's get that going. Alright, so for our salmon, we're going to add a spoon of the green seasoning, pinch of the salt and pepper. I'm just going to go ahead and mix that all in. Alright. Alright, just gonna make sure we get that all the way down. Well submerged. Just keep rooting. You could add oil or butter to this water, so that way your noodles don't stick together. Alright, all the back windows are ready. And we'll begin making our pasta. Alright guys, now ready to make our pasta. Make sure you get a rubber spatula. You don't want to scratch your pan. Start with some butter. Bring the heat to medium. Alright. We're going to add our salmon. I'm just going to go ahead and sear these, cook these out. So these are going to break apart. You want them to break apart. Alright guys, so now that our salmon is almost where we want it, we're going to go and add some red onions. I'm not going to add all of this, I'm making it in batches. So we're going to add some red pepper. We're going to add some salt and pepper. We're going to also add some spinach. Alright, and we're just going to go ahead and saute those. Those cook down for a little bit. Alright guys, this time we're going to go and pour our sauce. As well as our noodles. And we just cut that off with a little salt and pepper. I'm just going to give it a quick mix. Let that. Look at that rich in the pasta. Oh yeah. Alright guys, so in for a closer look. That's what we got going on now. We're going to get ready to plate this bad boy up and enjoy dinner. Alright guys, so we're going to go ahead and plate up. Oh yeah. Just gonna go ahead and garnish some parsley. gonna go ahead and add some garlic bread on the side.